Most people use business software like a digital filing cabinet, but Bitrix 24 is more like a hidden engine powering your whole company. I've discovered 5 different features tucked away in this platform that change everything. From AI that actually writes your emails to predictive analytics that can see into the future of your sales pipeline. If you want to stop working for your software and start making it work for you, these are the 5 game changers you need to know about right now. Today, folks, we're going to take you through and show you some of these brilliant features we've mentioned, including the AI Copilot, which can analyze long comment threads and draft efficient, polite, and appropriate responses in seconds. We've also got the BI Builder, which unlocks real-time data using the power of AI to get insights from your company. It genuinely replaces manual reporting with visual, live analytics for more strategic decision-making. Then there's also the no-code RPA, which is the engine. This is for built-in autonomous workflows for really repetitive tasks like workflow generation, lead routing, or document generation without having to write a single line of code. This really does democratize innovation for non-technical team members. You've then got predictive business analytics for forecasting based on real-time velocity. This really does help managers spot at-risk deals weeks before they happen. And then there's the unified communication stack, bringing together HD calls, video calls, messaging, and document collaboration all in one app, which helps cut down on company app fatigue. All right, so we're logged into our account here. So we've got all the sections here: chats, task chats, Copilot, collabs. We're currently in the chat section and we can see all the current chats that are open. For example, this one here, project deployment update. So we can actually see everything in here with the Copilot feature. All right, so we're going to find the Copilot right here. Summarize this discussion into key updates, completed work, pending issues, and next action steps. That's brilliant. So Copilot, in literally 1 second, has given us a summary of the discussion and the action steps, which is the most important bit. Really good. So it's already organized everything for us right there using Copilot. And if we head over to the tasks and projects section, we can actually go to the design landing page section here, and we can actually see a description of everything here. So continue with the task descriptions. We can make a checklist. All right, we've got the summarized text section here as well. So we can save that Copilot query there. So let's go check out the BI Builder now. Let's have a look. So we've got all the different folders here: profile dashboards, sites and stores dashboards, CRM dashboards. You can go through and create a new dashboard. You can order a custom dashboard, or you can even download one from the market. This is from the Bitrix 24 market. You can go ahead and actually grab one straight from here for free. There are heaps of really good, handy free ones you can use. So if we have a look at the sales section, for example, we've got one for call analytics, sales trend. If we have a look at this sales trend one, we can actually go ahead and install that. It's got the number of installations, the developer. It's really cool that you can just basically get this plugged in straight away, and it's going to help you monitor your sales trends in an efficient and transparent way for your team. If we head over to the automation section now as well, all right, let's go ahead and hit start. Go on and check out the different workflows. Let's go in for a general request here. It's pretty cool. You can automate your workflows, control every stage, and even manage workflows from your mobile too. It's great to see you can actually have that feature as well. So again, this one's specifically for new lead assignment and follow-up automation. So it's a really cool little automation that we can basically set up. All right, so if we click into the workflow element, let's have a bit of a look here and see. You've got the business processes section. You've got the access, so you can set it to, read only or access denied. All right, so this is pretty cool. This is like the request new lead assignment and follow-up automation area here. Now we'll head over to the CRM section. We can basically have a look at the different deals we've got going on here. So we'll head over to the sales pipeline and funnel. Got the default pipeline here. Let's have a look at what's in progress here. And that's pretty cool. So it shows us whether the deals have been won or lost. We can add a pipeline in. We can go and have a look here at Sarah Johnson under the chats again, and we can say something like, "Hi Sarah, just checking in to see if your team has reviewed the updated proposal." You can open up a video call chat as well, which is really cool. So this is just perfect if you're someone who has a remote business or a remote team. You should be using Bitrix 24. Honestly, it's a no-brainer at this point. You can open up David Kim's chat here as the developer. A quick prompt like, "Can you make some time to discuss things over the phone?" So you've got really solid connectivity between everyone on your team in a way that's more than transparent. And I really like the general chat section here as well. It's like a business version of Telegram or maybe Discord, but way more organized and just spot on for business. Stop searching for 5 different apps when you can have everything in one place. Click the link in the description below and at the top of the video description to start your 15-day free trial with Bitrix 24 and unlock these game-changing features today.